Lean is an English word that means slim, which means thin. Lean management is a method for managing industrial projects. Lean management actually comes from Japan, mainly from Toyota, to manage industrial projects, primarily in the automotive sector. But it has been significantly expanded around the world, especially now in the construction sector, for about 30 years. What are the principles of Lean? First of all, it's a philosophy. It's something very important. It's not a method. It's not a standard. It's not a set of specifications to implement. It's really a philosophy. It consists of two main pillars. The first and most important pillar is collaboration, and I really emphasize the notion of collaboration and the collaboration among the stakeholders: the client, the decision maker, the builder, the architect, the electrician, all the stakeholders. And the client is very important. It needs to be integrated from the start. The second aspect after collaboration is to eliminate waste. All types of waste. Waste in time, in quality, in elevation. Waste also means not letting high quality and skilled workers, engineers and architects depart from the company. That's considered a waste. So that's the concept of lean construction. So for about 30 years now, the lean construction philosophy has been established. It's used in several companies in various mega projects as well as construction projects. And it actually allows you to be at the center of quality, time and cost. And it actually allows for very interesting results because it's centered on people, it's focused on value for the clients. This notion is very important, value for the clients. Lean construction is important for the ecological transition. First of all, I want to define what ecology is in relation to the environment. Ecology is about nature, animals. It means it doesn't concern humans. The environment, we include the human aspect. So, lean construction is very interesting for the ecological transition. Because, as you can see, construction is also about the city or the neighborhood, and there are actually some pretty significant ecological issues. The infinite client, which is very important in lean construction, can be the client who is going to buy the house, the one who will use, for example, a subway. But nature can also be considered be a client. The fact of integrating clients, which is nature, into the project from the very beginning, the way we're going to deliver the project, is something very important because ecology also concerns rare materials. It also concerns some pretty important energy themes, energy expenditures. It also transforms the habits of the city. Citizens, we call them citizens, but we can also call them clients. I don't really like to call them users because citizens are very important. You have the basic concepts, which are housing. It's about providing shelter. It's about feeding, but it's also about having fun at the same time in terms of entertainment infrastructure, meaning sports, community activities, and also living well. These elements actually require a pretty significant ecological transformation of our way of life, and the costs become very important. And to do that, in lean construction, we need to pay attention to the clients, and the clients are the citizens in this case. It's very important. As the Vice President of the Scientific Council of this chair, I think it actually, in my opinion, significantly broadens what we call the key stakeholders, involved parties, and other related entities, and other associated parties in the construction sector. It includes several types of clients. And it's these elements that integrate the economy and finance in service of the citizens by focusing on energy transformation and ecological transformation. I use the term transformation several times because we are really in a phase of significant transformation that requires new skills. We need knowledge, we need know-how, but right now we need skills. We need to bring those skills together. We need to be a team and not just a group. And this type of team allows us to go further with high-level collaborative methods based on scientific approaches to successfully achieve these ecological transitions. We will integrate the economy, we will integrate finance, we will integrate all the stakeholders.